Tired of projects feeling like a runaway train? Let's harness the power of Clockify and Trello to bring order and clarity to your workflow. First, we need to connect Clockify with Trello. Make sure you have accounts on both platforms. Then install the Clockify browser extension from the Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ins. The extension will automatically add a Clockify timer button to your Trello cards. Now, open your Trello board and select a card. You should see the Clockify timer button right there. Click it to start tracking time for that specific task. Type in a description of the task if needed, or Clockify might automatically populate it with the Trello card title. Simply hit the play button to start the timer, and the pause button to stop it. All your track time is automatically logged in Clockify. Head over to the Clockify web app to view detailed timesheets, manage projects, and invite team members. Finally, leverage Clockify's powerful reporting features. Generate insightful reports to see where your time is going, identify bottlenecks, and optimize your team's efficiency. Filter by project, user, or date range to get the data you need for better project management.